What's going on? It's Katie here with KT Visuals, and today I'm going to show you how to add text around an object in Photoshop like this. I think this is really useful for product photos. It adds that extra wow factor and gives it a nice clean look. So let's hop into Photoshop. First, we're going to work on our original image. Go up to Select and then click Subject. Now go back up to Select, click Modify, and then click Expand. You can play around with the size here depending on how large or small your image is, but I'm going to keep mine at 30 pixels because my image isn't too large. Now go to Select, Modify, and click Smooth. I'm going to smooth it out to about 20 pixels. You don't want to go too crazy with this because then you'll start to lose the original edge. Now grab your rectangular marquee tool and right-click on the line around your shape and then select Make Work Path. Let's keep this at 8. Grab your type tool, hover over the path where you want your text to begin, and then once you see the cursor change, you can now click and it'll let you start typing. So now paste your text and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also drop a comment as to what you'd like to see me do next. I will see you next time with another tutorial.